Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how it is possible to define smoke parameters for different components. In this case for a MOSFET and also for a subcircuit. In order to define smoke parameters, it can be the situation if you download, for example, a component from a manufacturer, or maybe if you generate the component yourself. So if you open the model editor and the file open, we get from here the MOSFET. We can see we have the MOSFET, we have the parameters that define the model, this PSpice model, but we want to add a smoke parameter, so electrical values, in order to make afterwards in PSpice a smoke stress analysis. For that we click on model, add a smoke, and automatically we get this window, okay, where we have to put these values. These values come from the datasheet. As you can see here, it's quite easy to get these values. Sometimes if you don't find all of them, you can ask or you have to ask to the manufacturer, but that's all. And well, remember I have opened this library from here with these two libraries. Let's see what happened when I define here. I'm not going to define all the values because I just want to show what happened here. So let's say just these three. As much as you define here these values, automatically you get here a parallel file with the extension PRP. It comes from the meaning property, where you find the values for the parameters for the smoke analysis. It means if you copy this library to another location, for example, don't forget to get also this file, okay? Because if you want to analyze afterwards the smoke, you will need this file. So this is the first example. The second example I wanted to open is the subcircuit. Why? Because for a subcircuit you have here the component. In this case it is a diode, but this is defined as a subcircuit because it was modeled as a physical component. Well, for this component and with this structure, model editor doesn't know if it is a diode, if it is a MOSFET, if it is an operation amplifier, etc. So doing the same steps or following the same steps, you click on model, add smoke, and you select here, you get here the list of what you want to define. So you says, in this case it's a diode, you click on OK, you get this window and automatically you complete these values, and that's all. You can use this component for smoke analysis. I hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe here, and also write down your questions, your comments, or whatever you need for PSpice. I'm happy to help as much as possible. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.